heading to the old downtown San Jose Del Cabo, and in San Jose Del Cabo are a number of art galleries and art stores, and they make up the Art Walk. So every Thursday night at 6 o'clock you can come to the Art Walk, and there's lots of festivities. We're gonna film some of it today and show you during daylight, but we'll also come back tonight because it's going to be really special tonight. It's always special on Thursday nights, but this week it's Christmas, it's the holidays, so there'll be a little more to see. Anyways, let's take a look. This is the end of the area where cars and vehicles can enter. The local government actually, this used to be part of the main street, but the local government cut this off to vehicle traffic to facilitate the actual art walk each night. And in the evening, you're going to see right along here, there's a lot of displays of paintings and photographs. The Art Walk goes every Thursday night from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. and it occurs between November and June each year. Okay, this little stand here, no matter whether it's day or night, whether it's busy in the square or not, always a lineup of people to get some Mexican, authentic Mexican street food. And during the evening, you're going to notice as well that there's a lot of vendors out on the street making everything from tacos to empanadas to you name it. So while you're down here, you've got to try some of that. Now, as I mentioned, 12 of the certified galleries participate in this, and you'll find that on Travelocity. But if you look around, there's a lot more than 12 vendors. If you look online at the San Jose site, you'll find that actually 14 galleries are agreeing to serve wine and cocktails during the art walk, so it's worth stopping in just for a little social time. Let's go this way. You'll notice that we're walking back here amongst a lot of the side streets, and the Art Gallery Society actually formed this event, the Thursday Night Art Walk, to actually encourage tourists to get away from the main square. The main square is really cool to see, and it's right near the church that we saw earlier, but really the Art Gallery Society was trying to get people into these colorful back streets that are filled with all sorts of sculpture, artwork, paintings, photographs, and you name it. So make sure that you get behind the church and go up and down some of these streets, because they really are quite amazing and worth taking a look at.
Find it here, right?
One of the things you'll notice is there's quite a bit of activity here going on at night, and one of the great things we love about San Jose Del Cabo is during the day it can be quite warm, which is great for going to the beach, but in the evening it cools down quite a bit. So you actually see a lot more people on the street in the evening, some evenings, and worth checking out, enjoying. It's quite reasonable weather for sure. Now, here's something we had to try. We'd seen this on previous trips to Mexico and on YouTube, and it's essentially corn in a cup. But it's served with crema mexicana, and actually the street vendors, like this street vendor, actually substitute mayonnaise on top and sprinkle it with tangerine and squeeze fresh lime juice into it. You have to kind of try it. Some people say it's an acquired taste, but we had to give it a try anyways. We would definitely recommend taking a walk through old San Jose Del Cabo, whether it be in the night or in the day. Definitely worth seeing. We love Cabo San Lucas, but San Jose Del Cabo, which is about a half-hour drive, maybe a little less, from Cabo San Lucas, is a favorite for us to stay in and visit because it has a real authentic Mexican feel to it, and not quite the party town, but certainly lots of Canadian and American visitors to see San Jose Del Cabo. Well, that's all for this video, and we hope you enjoy your visit to San Jose del Cabo in Mexico.